there's more money for my children's college fund, so there'll be a lot of help.
Thank you very much. You're going to need that money. All right. Any other witnesses in support?
Elaine Helmut-Holder, representing Gun Owners of California. We believe that the open
Just
carry
name
will
and
have a chilling
affiliation,
effect on the constitutional rights of our people.
Thank you very much. Next witness, please.
Tom Pedersen, representing California Rifle and Pistol Association, or Speak Bill.
All right, thank you. Any other witnesses in opposition?
Anybody else?
Good morning, Paul Sabalo with Capital Resource Institute, and we are in opposition to this bill. McDonald versus City of Chicago dealt with this.
Next speaker.
Jim Ricketts, co-founder of Tea Party United, and we are in strong opposition to this bill.
Thank you, sir.
Nicole Stallard, Northern California Pistol, who opposes bill.
Thank you. Next speaker, please.
Wayne Williams, a committed citizen of the United States, and I am definitely in opposition to this bill.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. Any other speakers in opposition? All right, Mr. Knight?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
If I could ask men from the legal community and gun violence to comment on the legal assertion that was made.
Certainly.
That would be great.
And then Mr. Knight.
And then Mr. Knight, that would be great.
If you could be brief, sir.
Absolutely, thank you. The Supreme Court has never held that the Second Amendment right extends beyond the home, and the federal courts have not held that, and it's our contention that the Second Amendment right is a limited right to have a handgun in the home for self-defense. The statement that the Peruta case hung on the existence of unloaded open carry is simply not true. In Peruta, the court did not extend the Second Amendment beyond the home. Thank you.
Mr. Knight.
I am sure that that will be something that will go to court again. What are the instances that prompted this bill?
What are the instances?
Yeah. What are the instances of an open carry person not carrying that weapon responsibly?
Well, clearly that the Police Chiefs Association and FORAC, both representing the chiefs and the rank and file officers associations, came to the legislature, not this year, in previous years. This bill should have been addressed last year and recognized that there was a statewide problem, and they asked the legislature to
So
solve
I'm sure they brought forward some of these crime reports, some of these instances where this was a problem.
Yeah, they have brought forth instances throughout the state of California where this was a problem, and resources were, I'm happy to get some of those for you. I don't have it in front of me, but certainly I trust our chiefs and our rank and file law enforcement that they're telling the truth.
Oh, I do too. You're talking about.
Right.
What are the counties under 200,000 people? In the bill, there's a provision for counties under 200,000 people.
In those counties, there are other exemptions, and we wanted to be consistent with those counties, and that's why that was chosen.
And these counties could be the rural counties, or they could have these big rural areas, that this could be a provision where these people could carry openly.
Right. We want to be consistent in those counties that allow the licensing of these types of carrying situations, and we want to be consistent in the law.
Okay, so a county like San Bernardino County, where they have over 2 million people, but about 80% of the county has nothing but rabbits, that would not be a county that they could use this.
If a rabbit wants to go buy a gun, I'm agnostic on that issue.
I'm sure in San Bernardino, a couple of rabbits would go.
All right, that's it. Thank you for the rabbit jokes. All right, Ms. Agar. Yeah, here we go. See that time. Order in the court. Order in the court. Mr. Portino, would you like to close, basically, I think?
Yeah, I would like to make a quick comment. You know, we've been asked to solve the problem. And some people have asked me if this has been in reaction to the tragedy in Arizona, and that is not the case. This was something that was presented to the legislature last year. It is something, a loophole that should have been closed, but for a last-minute glitch in the system on the floor, it would have been dealt with last year. But in commenting on the Arizona situation, some of the proponents have said, had